You know what's crazy? Infiniti used to be the brand when it came to stylish crossovers. Back in 2003, the FX was a head-turner. It basically kicked off the whole crossover coupe trend before it was even cool. But then, well, things kind of went downhill. The FX turned into the QX70, and by 2017, it was gone. Infiniti tried to bring the vibe back with the QX55, but honestly, nobody cared. Sales were flat out bad. But now, they might have something. At Monterey Car Week, Infiniti showed off what they're calling the QX65 Monograph concept. And here's the thing, it actually looks like they've rediscovered their design mojo. Up front, you've got this wide, bold grille with these sharp accents that were inspired by bamboo forests. Sounds artsy, but it actually works. There's an illuminated emblem, slim piano key-style lights, and the headlights sit a little lower with stacked air curtains. It feels aggressive, but elegant at the same time. The side profile? Classic Infiniti. Smooth curves, flowing lines, and a fastback roofline that instantly calls back to the old FX. They even added a bronze accent that cuts across the roofline, so it looks like it's in motion, even when it's parked. Oh, and the paint job? It's called Twilight, with shades that shift between red and gold, like the sky right before nightfall. A very concept car, but also something that feels production ready. Out back, it's just as dramatic. You've got this 3D light bar with vertical elements that nod to aircraft tail fins, a sporty spoiler, and diffuser-style touches on the bumper. It's basically Infiniti saying, hey, we remember how to make a crossover look exciting. Now, here's the important part. Infiniti says we'll see the production version in just a few months, and if the spy shots we've seen are accurate, the design won't stray far from this concept. That's good news. Mechanically, it's expected to share a lot with the QX60, so under the hood, that means a 2-liter turbo 4 with Infiniti's fancy variable compression tech. That makes 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque, hooked up to a 9-speed auto with available all-wheel drive. Basically, it's not going to blow anyone away in a drag race, but it's more about style and daily driving. So yeah, this feels like Infiniti finally taking a real shot at bringing back some of that FX magic. The QX65 Monograph is stylish, it's different, and it might just be the comeback they've been needing. So, yeah, if Infiniti can deliver this QX65 with all the style we're seeing here, it might just be their way back into the spotlight, and I'm here for it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps push this out to more car fans like us. And if you want to stay up to date on everything happening in the auto world, new concepts, production models, the wins, and the fails, make sure you subscribe. We've got plenty more coming your way and you won't want to miss it.